Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Herbert, and today I'll be guiding you through some formulas that are definitely going to be useful for your Excel usage. We'll be covering formulas like Vlookup, match, and, as well as data validation and conditional formatting. Stay tuned and let's dive into the world of Excel mastery. Here I have a student grade table for subjects related to data analysis such as SQL, Excel, Python, and Power BI. This is the search area. For example, if I want to look up Casimiro's SQL grade, I just need to select it, and the grade will appear right here without the need to manually search. The grade will also be automatically highlighted on the table like this. Great! And now, I'll guide you step by step to create this table. First off, let's start with the Vlookup function. Vlookup stands for vertical lookup. It's a powerful function in Microsoft Excel used to search for a value in a table or range of cells and retrieve related information from a different column. It's commonly used for tasks like finding corresponding data, performing data analysis, and creating reports. Vlookup, lookup_value, table_array, call_index_number, range_lookup. Lookup_value, this is the value you want to find in your table. Table_array, this is the range of cells that contains your data. Call_index_number, this is the column index number of the data you want to retrieve. Range_lookup, this is an optional parameter. If set to true or omitted, Vlookup will perform an approximate match, finding the closest match that is less than or equal to the lookup value. If set to false, Vlookup will perform an exact match. Here's an example to illustrate. I have a table containing fruit, amount, and price. Now, I want to look up the price and quantity of bananas without having to manually search in the table. I will place the formula here. Equals Vlookup. Lookup_value. Table_array. Call_index_number. The amount column is the second column in this table, so I will use 2 as the column index, and then set it to false. Enter. Similarly, for the price column, the column index is 3. Done. Try another one, for example pears. Or peaches. Perfect. This function is not too difficult and has many applications in Excel. It will be very useful if you become proficient in Vlookup. Next, I will move on to another popular function, which is the match function. The match function in Excel is used to search for a specified value in a range of cells and return the relative position of that value within the range. The basic syntax of the match function is as follows. Match, lookup_value, lookup_array, match_type. Lookup_value, the value you want to find within the lookup_array. Lookup_array, the range of cells you want to search within. Match_type, this is an optional parameter that specifies how the match should be performed. It can have 3 values. 1 or true, finds the largest value less than or equal to the lookup_value. The lookup_array should be sorted in ascending order. 0 or false, finds an exact match for the lookup_value in the lookup_array. The values in the lookup_array do not need to be sorted. -1, finds the smallest value greater than or equal to the lookup_value. The lookup_array should be sorted in descending order. Here's an example. I have a column named fruit, and now I want to find out which column number bananas is in, without having to count. Like this. Or apples, lemons. I will place the formula here. Equals match. Lookup_value. Lookup_array. Match_type. Done. Similarly for the horizontal direction. Here. Lemons. place the formula here. Equals match, lookup underscore value, lookup underscore array, match underscore type. Another one. Pineapples. Perfect. The match function will be very useful for the next part. Remember the formula, everyone. Now, I will move on to the next function, which is the unlogical function. The in function in Excel is a logical function that checks whether all the provided conditions are true. It returns true if all conditions are met, and false if at least one condition is not met. The basic syntax of the in function is as follows. And, logical 1, logical 2. For example, I have a grade table as follows. Now, only the students who achieve an A grade in both SQL and Excel subjects will pass. I will place the formula here. Equals and B2 equals A. C2 equals A. Enter. Copy formulas. Done. This formula is simple, yet its applicability is quite high, especially when used in conjunction with the if function. Now, I will directly move to the exercise in the beginning of the video section so that you can have a clearer understanding of the function's functionalities, including match and Vlookup. First, we need to create a drop-down list like this for student and subject. Here in subject. This is called data validation. It's not too difficult to create this list. Please follow my instructions. Select cell B1. Choose Data. And choose Data Validation. Click on List. And select the range of data. Click OK. Done. Similarly to the student. Select cell B2. Data. Data Validation. List. And select Range. Done. Next, we will combine the Vlookup and match functions to find the grade of a student for a corresponding subject. For example, I want to look up Neymar's grade in the Python subject. And want the grade to automatically appear in this grade cell. Like this. Select Neymar. Python. And the score is 5. And here is formulas. I will explain this formulas. First, we use Vlookup. Equals Vlookup. Lookup value is B1. Table array. Don't forget to press F4 to lock the data range that needs to be referenced. Next, we need to find the column index number. As you can see, the position of Python is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will use the match function to determine the position of the subject, which is also the column number to reference. I hope you haven't forgotten the match formula. Match. Lookup value. Lookup array. 0. And input false. Perfect. Neymar. Python. 5. And finally, for the last step, how to highlight the value of the grade cell in the table like this. Indeed, this step might not have extensive functionality, but it adds a touch of professionalism to the Excel file and provides practice with the match and conditional formatting functions. The idea here is to highlight the cell where the row and column intersect. For example, for Karim Benzema, in the Excel subject, the grade is 6. How can we highlight the cell containing this value of 6? Exactly, we will utilize the functionality of conditional formatting. But first, let's go back to the match and in functions. For example, if Karim Benzema's position is in row 9 in column 2, then I will determine Karim's row number using the match function as equals match. Lookup value. Lookup array. 0. And we have to plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. It's 9. For column, we apply equals match, lookup value, lookup array, 0. And don't need to plus anything. Enter. It's 3. I hope that all of you understand. If anyone has any questions needing further clarification, feel free to leave a comment. And now, it's time to combine it with conditional formatting. Select the data range you want to highlight. Select Home. Conditional Formatting. New rule. Select the last one, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Set the formula. I will use the in function to highlight the cell that meets both the calculated row and column values. Equals an row equals match B1. Lookup array 0 and plus 4. Column equals match B2. Lookup array 0 and select Format cells. Format. Fill. Select color. OK. Perfect. Now you can easily look up the grade of any subject for any student. Today's video was a small exercise on the application of the Vlookup, match, and data validation and conditional formatting functions. I hope that this video will be helpful for all of you. In the upcoming videos, I will be releasing more exercises involving various other functions. I hope you all will watch and support them. Thank you very much, and I wish you all a wonderful day. Thank you, and see you soon.